Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our Casadei Xenia showroom. As you know, Casadei offers a wide range of classical machines, ranging from multifunctional combine machine to panel saws and numerical control spindle molder. We are now in front of one of the most important and most sold model of our range, the Xenia 40 panel saw. The Xenia 40, one of our best-selling machine in the circular saw segment, is a versatile model that stands out for its robustness and precise cut. We will now discover together the most important characteristics that distinguish it. The Xenia 40 is available in various versions, with manual, electric, and automatic lifting and tilting of the main blade, always combined with the automatic parallel cutting fence. We have various lengths of sliding tables available, 3,200 mm for all the version and 3,800 mm on request. All sliding tables have a 10 years sliding guarantee. The motor of the machine are available in various powers. All versions have a 9.5 standard engine with the 1 speed for the manual version and 3 speed for all the other versions. The speed is easily adjustable from an opening compartment located on the machine surface. Engines can be increased up to 12 horsepower. All versions are characterized by 2 separate motors, one for the main blade and one for the scoring unit. Automatic solution can be supplied into 2 versions, the A and the AX. Both versions are equipped with the Fox 100 numerical control system, mounted on a hanging panel that allows us to adjust the machine axis. It means the lifting, the inclination, and the parallel guides. As far as the parallel guide is concerned, the version A is equipped with a guide sliding on cables, while the AX version has a sliding system on linear guides. We see that the parallel guide is positioned by a recirculating ball screw and slides on a linear prismatic guide. The guide can be rotated 90 degrees to cut thin pieces and can be totally excluded under the table. Very important is the anti-collision system that guarantees maximum safety for the operator. Among the most requested options, we mention the dado system. Instead of the blade, it allows us to mount tools similar to a spindle molder with a maximum thickness of 20 mm. It's very easy to assemble. Electronic displays are also available, which allow us to read the position of the square guide quickly and intuitively. It is possible to add a third if necessary. To quickly obtain angular cuts with compensation, The machine can be equipped with a frame with stop compensation, which makes operation extremely simple and very fast. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and we remain at your complete disposal for any further information you may need. See you soon.